Welcome to another top pick based on originality, condition, and price. Our feature car today is a 1965 Dodge Dart GT. It's got the original high power 273 V8 and a 4-speed transmission. You're really going to like this car. You're watching Rob's Top Car Picks. Let's go check this car out. I found this car on Facebook Marketplace just a little while ago. It's a really nice one. It's a 1965 Dodge Dart GT. It's got the original 273 V8 with a 4-speed transmission with a Hurst shifter. It's same owner since 2010, which is always a good thing. And he's asking $16,600, which I think after going through this car, it's a fairly good price and something that will probably sell very quickly. 63 marked the third generation of the A body that ran from 1963 to 66, and it introduced the all new Dart nameplate on a new design and a longer wheelbase from its previous Lancer and Valiant model years. It was targeted to compete against the Falcon and the Nova, and this all new Dodge Dart was an instant success that continued on as a price leading car line, as we all know, through 1976. This feature car has the new performance version of the 273 V8 engine that included a higher compression ratio, more aggressive camshaft, and solid lifters with a horsepower rating of 235 from a 273 cubic inch engine, which was quite impressive for its time. In looking at the car's ad, right away, the first thing that we notice is that a lot of description from the seller, which is always a good thing. The seller appears to be very passionate about this car. That's a difference between finding a car that's owned by somebody and owned by a dealer. When somebody gives a lot of description about all the love and care that he's put into this car, it just makes me feel that much better about buying it. And he did a couple other things to this car since he's owned it. He's did front disc brakes, a better front sway bar. He improved and put in a new rear end with different gear ratios. Just tightened up the whole car line, as you see, and he did new interior as well. So the car is nicely presented, and we'll get into the photos. Overall, nice look with single headlights in the front. Chrome bumpers look really nice. The paint work looks decent. I'm not noticing any rust or any imperfections in the paint. He's got the original moldings on the side. The greenhouse looks original with all the bright work around. We'll see it in better photos here. But yeah, the interior looks great. Bucket seats, the vinyl bucket seats, the 4-speed transmission coming right through its tunnel. No center console, but hey, this is all business here, right? Dashboard looks really nice, no cracks. The inner striker here for the doors look original. The moldings here they don't show any overspray anywhere, so it looks like a quality paint job that was done quite some time ago in the 80s, but still looks to be very decent. Back seat looks really nice. He said he redid the seat covers, and it shows very well. This picture here, the door panel looks nice. Again, roll up windows, manually operated wing window, which is really cool. Yeah, it's cool because it's a hard top design, so it is a nice looking car. A nice shot here with the doors, so you can see there's no rust buildup in the doors, so that looks like a very nice garage kept car. It looks like an enthusiast. It looks like he's got a lot of cars in his garage, so good for him. And that means he knows his cars. And again, with the description that he gives us, I feel pretty confident in recommending this car. Beautiful shot of the engine bay, 273 V8 engine. Again, this was a high output car engine. It was an option that year. He's got disc brakes in the front. It looks like he redid the master cylinder. It's not a power setup. I don't see a power setup here, but still, with disc brakes in the front, the car is going to stop better than it would with its manual brakes, drum brakes at the time. I love the bright work that goes across the whole car. The hood line here, it's very pretty, and that looks all original. The trunk area looks great. Nice, nice mat. He has a lot of owner's manuals and things like that. The original jack is in place. So these are all nice things to see. Rear bumper looks fantastic. The Dodge nameplate back there looks original. He's got all these trophies and all the things that he's done with this car. So again, this person is an enthusiast, and I like buying cars from people like this. Nice photo, and that's his garage. Looks like it's in a nice area. The photos look very current too, so I'm feeling very confident with this car. So overall, to get more information on this car and just go to our homepage, you can see a link for our Facebook group. If you click on that link, you'll become members of the Facebook group. You can find this car there on our website and you can join the conversations. The car's already attracted a lot of attention early this morning. So it's a nice one, folks. Thanks very much. That wraps up this top pick for today. We found a bunch of others we'll be posting later today. Please subscribe to this channel if you enjoy it and share with friends that love cars. Thanks for all your support. We'll see you again real soon. Thank you. Bye.